This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Pride of ownership is evident throughout this lovely two-story home in Stonechase on Bloomington's growing west side. Super functional floor plan offers a main level office, a formal dining room, open living room and kitchen with breakfast area and a light-filled sunroom. The kitchen features wonderful granite countertops, a coffee station, large pantry, an island, stainless appliances, and a breakfast bar. A hall off the kitchen features a powder room, second pantry and coat closet, as well as access to the large 3-car garage with workbench and service door to the side and backyard. Upstairs you'll find 3 good-sized bedrooms. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom and large walk-in closet. The other 2 bedrooms share a hall bath. The impressive laundry room with storage and folding table is conveniently located on this level. There is also a loft/family room that could easily be made into a 4th bedroom if needed. The full unfinished basement is ready for you to finish as desired and is plumbed for a 3rd full bath and features an ingress/egress window for yet another bedroom. The backyard of this home is a true oasis. The sellers spared no expense when they installed a heated 12 by 24 in-ground fiberglass pool with automatic pool cover and beautiful landscaping. The side yard has easy-to-maintain artificial turf, no mud, or could make a nice putting green. The privacy fenced backyard is surrounded by protected green space.